Do. Hey, Hedwig, do you... Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Owl. Do you know if Hedwig has come back with my mail?
What, I'm not good enough for you?
What? No.
Oh, I see, it's because I'm a black owl.
What? No, I just...
Oh, I'm not good enough to give you your mail. I might just look through it and take stuff I like, apparently.
No, that's not it at all.
Man, I ought to whoop your muggle ass.
Well, actually, muggles are people that are born without magic.
I don't give a f***.
Oh, Hedwig, there you are.
Harry P, what's up, man?
Well, look at that, a white owl.
Oh god, not this douche again. Yo, Harry, your mail's over by the table because we Lego owls can't hold it.
Oh boy, thanks, Hedwig. Neato, it's my Insta-sex wizard.
Insta what now?
Rapura Migma.
Hello, Harry, I've been waiting for you. What the f***?
Yeah, poor little guy's been ordering those for the past 6 months.
You know, I can't help but notice that sex witch is white.
Oh my god, just shut up.